modern machine, not really. And well, bam, there we go. Barramilla 55 in all its race week glory. We got the little race week trailer hooked up. We got all our break-in miles done. We got our oil changed. We got our transmission fluid changed. We fixed the horn. I fixed a little squeaking noise in the steering column. And then we got the race week trailer all loaded up, hooked up. Got the race tires on there. We got the fuel jugs. We got some spare tools. I had a lot more stuff in here last year, so I don't know what I'm forgetting, but hopefully I just had extra stuff because I don't seem like I need anything else, but that was pretty much full last year, and now it's not even close to full. So we'll see how that works out for me. But it is Saturday night, 10 o'clock. Race week starts tomorrow in Billings, Montana. So I don't have, this is a drag and drive. It's street cars, right? So I'm driving from Bozeman to Billings in my race car, street car, race car. A lot of people will trailer to the event, whatever. I mean, everybody's coming from different ways. I don't have a car trailer, or maybe I would do that too, but we get I think it's a 900-mile event. I get about 1,300 because I got to go to Billings and back from Billings, all in the car. Last year it worked out. We're fingers crossed it's going to work out again this year. So we did our last little bit of prep. I filmed quite a bit of other stuff that you guys may or may never see. We did some test driving. We put some miles on. We went to Big Timber to meet a buddy to drop off some parts. We drove around town. And I wanted to get that video out to you guys before we left here, but I didn't get to it. So. There goes Brian in his car. I didn't take any video of it while we were talking, but it's a pretty sweet ride. LS 6-speed Corvette suspension, air conditioning, the whole nine, you know. Like I said, I'm not in luxury, but I'm in a 55 Chevy. He's in a 55 Chevy that has luxury, but pretty cool car. All right, I only used like 4.5 gallons of fuel, so that tells me it was like 15 miles a gallon, which surprised me. But that's what the phone and the math says. So anyways, we might run into a little weather, it looks like. Otherwise, it should hopefully be an uneventful cruise home, and we'll see you back at the shop. Yeah, and anytime you're driving your Tri-5 in the summertime and there's bugs out, don't forget your Tri-5 screens. Handy little screen that goes on here, keeps all the bugs out of your radiator. Held on with some magnets that line up with the crossbars or the vertical bars on your grill. Once she's on there, she stays on there. I even went down the drag strip with it last year. Of course, we all know I wasn't going very fast, but I think it'll stay on there even if you're going fast. Anyways, if you don't have one of these, you should get one. Tri5screens.com. I wish I would have put it on yesterday because I didn't. Now I got bugs in my radiator to clean out. Not anymore. Oh, and of course, it's called Tri5screens.com, so it's not just for 1955 Chevy. He's got them for 56 Chevy and 57 Chevy as well, and maybe more, but at least those three for sure. Check them out. Once again, Tri5screens.com. Tell Craig I sent you. He'll probably charge you double for that, but it'll be worth it. I don't think he'll charge you double. I said I'd keep you updated, so I'm doing this quick little blurb. Am I the one that can't talk? I'm doing this quick little blurb so that you guys can be updated and know that, yes, we made it. We're going to Big Sky Race Week. We're leaving in the morning. I'm going to try my best to keep you guys updated along the way. Maybe here on YouTube. I might try to do a live now and then. So keep tabs on the community page. And then also I have Instagram at Montana Garage, and I have TikTok at Montana Garage, or TikTok Montana. I don't even know how TikTok works. Go over there and search Montana Garage. I started an account a couple years ago. I haven't posted on it forever, but everybody tells me that's where I need to be. I need to be doing stuff on TikTok. So we're going to try. That's where you're going to find my race week updates and short little blurb videos and whatever I'm supposed to do or try to do on TikTok. I'll try to do some other stuff. Like I said, Instagram, maybe do a live. I may try to post a short video here on YouTube along the week, but most likely it's going to be just an update or a big video at the end after it. And it might take a week or 2 weeks or months or 6 months like it did last year to get that video out. I'll do my best to make sure that doesn't happen. I just wanted to show you one last thing I did. Did I do it? Well, I did it yesterday. I finished it today. We are traveling in luxury this year, boys and girls. My dad's going with me again, so that's awesome. But look at this. We got a cup holder. Hoo-wee. We are getting fancy in the Bare Metal 55. This is actually, the lighting is terrible. I apologize. This is actually two separate magnetic. These are just from Harbor Freight, but I built a little brace and bracket and put them together, and then it's got magnets on it, so I figured might as well have some wrenches at the handy, huh? I don't know if it'll stay like that. But that's what we got for now. Proof of concept. I went for a drive. It works. It doesn't rattle around too bad. We got cup holders. We got racing slicks. We got, well, we'll have spare gas once I fill them up in the morning. We got cooler for drinks. For me, it'll be water, but you know, there might be some other drinks in there for other folks. We got a whole group of people we're meeting along the way that we're kind of, you know, traveling with or whatnot. And hopefully you'll get to meet some of them. Like I said, my dad's coming. You'll get to meet him a little bit. We're going to try to make a video and we're going to try to have a good time. Oh, I did this today too. I'm not a big stickers all over my car guy, but I had to put this one on. Power over paint. I mean, hopefully we got the power and we definitely ain't got the paint. So that's David Freiberg. You can get one of those from him. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. I appreciate all you guys that watch and comment. And, you know, it just makes all this worthwhile. It's not easy to do all this. I try to make time for it. I need to do better. But I really appreciate all you guys that watch, and especially you guys that watch every time, and you're always commenting and asking questions. So leave me a comment. Ask me something you want to know about Big Sky Race Week. And make sure you follow Community tab, Instagram, TikTok, and we'll see how this week goes. Hopefully we make it back here Friday all in one piece with smiles on our face. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. We're going racing, baby.